Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Climb English. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Today, we're going to talk about how to improve your English speaking skills. Speaking English is very important. It helps you talk to people, make new friends, and get better opportunities in life. If you want to speak English better and feel more confident, this video is for you. Let's get started. English is a very important language. People all over the world speak English. When you can speak English, you can talk to more people. You can make friends from different countries. You can also get a good job or study in another country. English helps you travel and understand other cultures. Speaking English opens many doors in life. That's why learning to speak English well is a great goal. It can change your future and help you do many amazing things. To speak English better, you need to practice every day. Practice helps you improve. You can speak with your friends, your teacher, or even by yourself. Say simple sentences like, "Hello, how are you?" or "I am fine." The more you practice, the better you become. Listening to English every day is also very important. You learn how people speak, what words they use, and how sentences sound. You can watch English stories, movies, or shows. You can also listen to songs, radio, or people talking in English around you. Reading English books is another great way to learn. When you read, you find new words and learn how sentences are made. You can read easy books, children's books, or short stories. Reading out loud will also help with your speaking. Do not be afraid to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when they learn something new. Mistakes help you improve. If you say something wrong, it's okay. Keep speaking. Ask your teacher or friend to help you. They will support you. Thinking in English is a great trick. When you see a book, think, "This is a book." When you feel hungry, think, "I am hungry." Don't translate from your language. Just think in English. This helps you speak faster and more naturally. Try to learn new words every day. When you learn more words, you can say more things. Use a notebook and write down each new word. Then, try to use that word in a sentence. This helps you remember it better. Speak slowly when you talk in English. Don't try to speak too fast. When you speak slowly, people can understand you more easily. It also helps you say the words clearly. Take your time and think before you speak. Make learning English fun. You can play games, watch funny videos, or sing songs in English. When you enjoy learning, you want to do it more. Having fun helps you stay excited and makes it easier to remember things. Find friends who speak English. Talking with them will help you a lot. You can learn new words, fix your mistakes, and understand different accents. You can also learn about their culture and how English is used in real life. Record yourself speaking English. This is a very useful way to improve. When you listen to your recording, you can hear your mistakes and find ways to speak better. You can also ask a teacher or friend to listen and help you. Try to copy how native speakers talk. This is called mimicking. Listen to how they say words, how their voice goes up and down, and how they stress certain sounds. Then, try to speak just like them. This helps you sound more natural. Use a mirror when you practice speaking. Look at your mouth, your face, and how you move when you talk. This helps you say words clearly and gives you more confidence. You can also practice smiling and making good eye contact. Write short scripts for conversations. Think of what you would say at a cafe, in a store, or when meeting someone new. Write it down, then say it out loud. This will help you get ready for real situations. Set small goals for your learning. You can try learning 5 new words a day or speaking English for 10 minutes each evening. When you have goals, you stay focused. Step by step, you will see your English getting better. When you reach your goals, give yourself a reward. You can enjoy your favorite snack or watch a fun movie. Celebrating your progress makes learning more fun and helps you stay motivated to keep going. Be patient with yourself. Learning a new language takes time. You won't speak perfectly right away, and that's okay. Keep practicing and don't give up. Every day you speak English, you are getting closer to becoming fluent. Try to use English in your daily life. Write your shopping list in English. Talk to your pet in English. Think in English when you walk or eat. The more you use English in your daily life, the more natural it becomes. Practice pronunciation often. English words can be hard to say. Some words look the same, but sound different. Listen carefully to native speakers and repeat the words slowly. Practice saying them until they sound clear and correct. Keep track of your progress. Write down what you have learned. Look at old recordings or notes to see how much better you are now. Seeing your progress will make you feel proud and keep you motivated to learn more. Try speaking English in different situations. You can pretend to order food, make a phone call, or ask for help. Each situation helps you learn different kinds of words and sentences. This will make you feel more ready for real life. Stay motivated and never give up. Learning English is a journey. Sometimes it feels hard, but you are improving every day. Keep your goals in mind. Be kind to yourself and enjoy every step you take towards speaking English fluently. Speaking English well takes time and practice. You don't have to do everything at once. Just choose a few tips that work for you and use them every day. Step by step, you will improve. Remember, every small effort you make brings you closer to your goal. Keep going, stay positive, and enjoy the journey of learning English. Thank you for watching this video. Which tip do you like the most? Write it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos to keep learning.